making video in English and speaking English. Both of the works are too difficult for me. When I want to do these works, I frustrated. I am unable to know what should I do at the proper time. I have a fear and I have a hesitation. I want to overcome both of these habits, but it's not easy. It's too difficult, and I am trying to remove these habits, but it's too difficult. So, guys, this is Ibrahim Idrisi, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, ABC Village English. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk how can I try to overcome from fear, from hesitation, and what is the method to overcome fear and hesitation? How can we get fluency in English? So, I will talk about these topics in this video. Guys, sometimes I forget some words, some vocabulary and some sentences. Please forgive me because I'm a beginner and I'm just trying to speak English. I'm just trying to speak English like other speakers, but it's not easy, but I'm trying. So you can motivate me, you can demotivate me, so it's your wish. But friends, I want to do whatever I want to do, it's my wish. So friends, having watched many videos on YouTube regarding speaking English, I realized about English speakings because I was good at English, like reading, like writing, but I didn't know anything about speaking. And I had an aim to speak English. I want to get fluency in English. And since then, I thought I should speak English. Then I realized my pronunciation is very bad. My I don't know. This is the habit. Currently, I forget the word. My accent is very difficult. Nobody is with me. With whom I can speak English. So it was too horrible. But after watching many videos on YouTube, I realized I can speak English by self-practice. So friends, currently I am working here as a teacher. I teach many students English. I teach two students subject English and language. And I realized both are very different works. So after being taught many of the students, I realized about speaking. So I started to talk in English with my students. And after being taught 2 or 3 months later, I realized my student began to speak English. Their mouth began to open. Since I realized I should speak English, and when I get a chance, I sit in front of camera and I started speaking. Whatever I think, I started speaking. And after speaking I I watched my video again and again, twice, thrice, and fourth time. Then I see a watch where I made mistakes, where I did whichever I should not have done. So, like this, my English began to improve. And right now, I am speaking. It is really true that I am unable to say a few sentences to be confident. And after speaking the sentences, I realized I did blunder and I should not have done like this. But what can I do for it? It's a life and it's a journey. Life is a journey. And life is a journey process. Life is a learning process. We keep on learning. Since then, the death comes. So, I want to say this thing because uploaded a video the day before yesterday, and that was my particular video, and the video had got 20 views. So it's good because I'm a beginner and my channel is so new, and 20 people, if 20 people watch my video, so it's too good for me, and I am working very hard to improve my vocabulary, improve my fluency, and improve my channel. So this is happening. So friends, and don't watch if you want to speak English. Please watch this video till end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and as well as like my video. So friends, we will meet in another video. So till then, bye bye, take care, thank you, bye.